Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, walking around a 2019 BMW 330i. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What you like about our 330i. Also, don't forget to smash the bell so that you'll get notifications about new inventory and new walkarounds as they occur. Why did we start doing these? Well, to be transparent and show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. So if you'd like to see those, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of the video, though, you will be able to hear the engine running on the 330. So let's go ahead and start that walk around. All right, we are walking around the 330i, and as you can see, there's good tread on the tires. There are a couple of small chips that have been touched up here on the nose. Very tiny. You back up and you cannot see them. And as you go down the side here, you see there's no dents or dings or heavy scratches. It's in great condition for 2019 with about 41,000 and change miles on it. You can see the wheels are in good shape. So is the finish down the driver's side and on the roof. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior, shall we? All right, we're going to show you what does not show up in our pictures, which is this side of this visors here, the sunshade, and the headliner, which in this case are all in amazing condition, and the top of the dash. If you have any questions at all, please call the number located at the top of your screen. We'll be happy to answer those. Thank you for joining us again, and we hope to see you at our next walk around.